Can you stand the rain? What's up, y'all? Back again. Another installment of Creative Juices production. It's coffee time. Tomorrow night, Sunday, March 6th, it's Mardi Gras at the Zanzibar. Got my man Talam AC. He gonna be featuring the set. This is gonna be the dopest set yet, man. Y'all gotta find a way to get down there. 9003 West Diamond, right near Fondren, Zanzibar, Houston. Be a business networking event from 5 to 8 with the Black Professionals of Houston. And then at 8 o'clock, open mic, poetry and more with Creative Juices, hosted by yours truly, T. Augustus. Got a nice line of poets that said they're gonna come out and do some pieces for y'all. It's gonna be hot. Talam AC coming in. I got my man James Jackson, a photographer from New Orleans. He's gonna really set it off into the Mardi Gras vibe. The 504 boys, you know what I'm saying. So it's gonna be hot. Make sure you wear your beads. I'm gonna be wearing mine. If you don't have any, don't worry, don't fret. We're gonna bring some for you. We'll have enough beads for everybody, so everybody can get some. Music gonna be by my boy Go DJ Fire. If you've ever witnessed Go DJ Fire, you know he fires it up. Yeah, my girl Reed gonna have some jewelry for sale down there. So if you want to the photographer, the pictures, they're gonna be. We're gonna have a silent auction, so you can purchase those, but you can pay later. But the jewelry, we'll have some jewelry. My girl Reed gonna have some jewelry out for sale, so you come prepared. Come prepared to have a real good time and do a whole lot of things. Enjoy the show. Do some business networking. Let people know what you do, and be prepared to hear what they do. You know, if you got something to sell, you just give me a hit. Look me up on Facebook. You can get me on Facebook. I'll accept you as a friend. I'm Facebook friendly. And we can talk about what you need to do to get your business on display down at the Creative Juices set. No big deal. So come on down. Look forward to seeing you. Talam AC is going to be in the building. And he's going to be ridiculous. If you never saw him, then make sure you go to my Facebook page and peep one of the videos. You will be impressed. I'm telling you. Look forward to seeing you there. March 6th, Sunday. Mardi Gras to Zanzibar, hosted by yours truly, featuring Talam AC.